Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a DLG flags SEC cert date invalid in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump into the hopeful resolution to this problem. So what you want to do is right click on the date and time settings at the bottom right corner of your taskbar. So you go right click on that and then select adjust date and time. Make sure your time is correct up here. If not, or if your time zone's off too, you might have to change it. And then you might want to also set time automatically if it is not set automatically. And hopefully I would have been able to resolve the problem, and then you would just select the sync now button here to finalize that change. So again, pretty straightforward process there. And that would really be about it. And if it was set automatically, again, check your time zone. And you could always set it manually too. So if you wanted to turn it off to set automatically and then select the change button, you have the ability to customize it through here as well. So once you're done with that, go ahead and relaunch the Edge browser and hopefully the problem would have been resolved at that point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.